Hey buddy, so what's going on here?
I'm finally wet sanding it after 4 years.
Said 4 years. Alright guys, Marcel is finally wet sanding the car and boofering it. Boofer right there. Got the rubbing compound. So far he's done the trunk and this rear quarter panel right here. And just look at that, guys. Looks so good. Wow.
Wow. Yeah, look at this side.
And you come over here.
Like a basket full of oranges.
A basket full of oranges. Yeah, guys, see?
Can't see shit.
So, yeah, guys, he took out a lot of the orange peel, but he still has the rest of the car, so it's gonna take a while. My boy put in the work though.
Traffic and drugs, modern day slavery, African thugs. We go to war for this African blood. We go to war for this African blood.
So later, in about three-ish hours, me and Marcel are gonna go pick up something major for the S2000, and it's gonna be a big mission. Me and Marcel stay busting missions together. I don't know. It's just what me and Marcel do. When something needs to get handled, me and Marcel do it. So it's quite a drive. It's in San Diego, what I'm picking up. So depending on where it's at in San Diego, it could be a hour-and-a-half drive to 2 hours, and especially around this time it's gonna be traffic, so fuck. Alright guys, Marcel's car is gonna have to wait until tomorrow, but he's almost done with this side. So right now we're actually gonna go to San Diego, pick up my new car part for the S2000, and then come back. And depending on how late it is, I don't know what's gonna go on, but for sure it's gonna continue tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah.
So Jose?
For Wakanda.
For Wakanda. Alright, let's do this shit, Marcel.
I don't want to go. So what you about to do?
Hey Marcel, what you got back there?
Ah, nothing, bro.
Bro, what you got?
Oh, you know, just some buddy clapping specs.
Oh shit. Bro, where are we, by the way? This isn't Hammett.
Encinitas, maybe?
Encinitas? Okay, dude. We still have like a 2-hour drive home. They want to throw these on though, right?
Mm-hmm.
Fuck, guys. Alright, we got a mission home. It's currently 5 o'clock. Hopefully we can make it home before 7. And that'll give us plenty of time to throw these coals on. I'm fucking hyped. Finally, no more wheel gap. Every time I pulled up, bro, I felt like I was disgracing you guys, so
I'm sorry.
not anymore. Not anymore.
It's alright, you're there now.
Finally back. We got the coilovers. You can barely see them, but we're gonna go ahead and install them. The only downside is it's already night, so I know you guys don't like dark videos, so I'm gonna try my best to show lighting throughout the process and all that, but I can't wait, guys. I have wheels sitting at home. The faster I throw these on, the faster I can throw on the SSRs, so I'm gonna throw them on tonight. It's 8 o'clock, so hopefully we finish it within an hour or so. Shouldn't take too long. It's not an old car, so hopefully none of the bolts are seized or anything. They shouldn't be seized, so let's get it. Alright guys, what is up? We actually continued the next day. We're doing the fronts right now. We had a lot of trouble last night, but we figured out what was the problem. We're fucking idiots. But anyways, coilover took like 15 minutes now. Last night we were struggling. We got daylight now, and we're already done with one side. Alright guys, so suspension on the S2K is actually pretty easy. It's just a giant bolt right here. It's like a 17. Then you just have to loosen the control arm, like push it to the side, take off the brake line, and then the strut just comes out, and the new one goes in, and that's it. It's pretty easy. The rear is a little complicated, but the fronts aren't too bad. They're pretty easy.
This is a homage beat.
Alright guys, this strut was a biatch. Now we're gonna put this strut in and should be good to go. Just put everything back. I'm gonna be solid. Alright guys, coilover is back in there. Nice and tidy. And we have to zip tie the brake line because
there's really no other option.
Yeah, there's really no option. The aftermarket coilovers. Alright, so you see that little bracket right there on the stock struts. You know, you can mount that, but these are aftermarket.
Unless you want to take the time to weld another bracket.
Yeah, no, that's too much work. So yeah, guys, you gotta do what you gotta do. If you guys found a better way, let me know. But for now, this is gonna do. If you guys have an S2000, let me know what you did.
What you doing, buddy?
Tightening it so I can put this on the floor. See that?
I see it.
This is in the air.
This is currently maxed up. Look at. I don't know if you can see it. Look at all those threads.
Oh my gosh.
So if you guys want stance coils or track coils, Buddy Club's the way to go. They handle good in both.
They retain. Oh, bro, you're gonna get hit, bro.
Oh, fuck.
Fuck, dude. I'm
Sorry.
You're trying to get a check, huh?
Yeah, I'm trying to get that check.
Alright, guys.
Coilovers.
Buddy Clubs, they're tri-coilovers, and you're gonna go extremely low with them also, and they retain their awesomeness. So I mean, that's what I heard. So we're gonna test them out. You ready for this, bro?
I'm ready, bro.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck, bro. I'm stuck.
Andy.
This is a homage beat.
Alright guys, so we're done with the rear, but the only problem is that we need to go to the store and get nuts for the bolts because yeah, it's just the bolt by itself, so we need to get nuts for that, and that's it. We are finished. So this side's already in there, and that's that. So after we get to the store, we just need to throw in the nuts, tighten it down, and then we just need to dowel the fitment in the front because it's way too slammed, and that's that. But right now we need to go to the store.
Freeze, if that nigga want me dead, I can't let the nigga breathe. Tough when they real kind.
Alright guys, we're back from the store. We put in the new hardware. And we also dialed in the suspension a little bit more, so it's a lot better. We closed the gap a little bit more. So all that's left is to mess with the front suspension, and then we'll be good. Just gotta dial in just a little bit more. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up this video. Coilovers are done. Next are the wheels. Comment down below what you guys think. It's gonna look so much better with the wheels. Still gotta dial in the suspension and that's it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video.